Hello, remember me? I am HIV Self-Test Kit. Now you can perform screening for HIV at your time, at your place, as per your convenience, and know your results yourself. In this video, we will see how you can perform screening for HIV using Mylan HIV Self-Test Kit. This test is very easy. Remember, 1. You may use this test kit one time only. Do not use the kit again. 2. Read the instruction booklet supplied with the kit carefully before initiating the test. 3. If the test kit packet is already torn or damaged, do not use the kit. Additionally, check for the expiry date mentioned on the test kit. If the kit is past its expiry date, do not use it. First of all, find a clean and level surface with good lighting to perform the test. You will get the following 4 items inside this test kit. 1. Test device packet. 2. Instruction booklet. 3. Vial. 4. Polythene. A special feature of this kit is that the entire test is performed using this tiny device. How to take a drop of blood as sample. Before initiating the test, wash your hands with soap and wipe them dry with a clean cloth. Now, squeeze the finger from which a drop of blood is to be taken as sample, like this for 10 seconds. Twist the green tab in the test device slightly towards you and remove it by gently pulling it outward. This grey button is used to prick your finger. Place your finger on the button like this and push inward. Do not worry, the button causes a mild prick only, similar to that caused by a small thorn. Put the device at a level surface so that it does not move. Squeeze your finger so as to form a drop of blood. Rotate your finger downwards like this and gently touch the drop of blood on your finger gently with the tip of test device. In this way, the sample drop of your blood will go inside this pipe of the test device. Avoid touching the skin with the tube. If for some reason the tube is not full, squeeze your finger from downside to upside like this so as to perform the blood drops. This is very important to fill the pipe completely. Now let us see how to perform the test. When the pipe is full, flip it towards the blood depositing area. When you do this, the sample drop of your blood will move from the pipe towards the blood depositing area and the test device will look like this. Now you have to add liquid in the vial in this area. Remember, add 4 drops only. Set a 15-minute timer in your watch or phone and wait for the result. Now, let us see how to read the result of HIV screening. If you see a line next to C only on the test device and there is no line next to T, you are HIV negative. You are requested to continue appropriate behaviors and use of condom to prevent HIV. If you see lines next to both C and T on the test device as shown, get yourself further tested in the ICTC of your nearest government hospital. Remember, if you do not see any line next to C on the test device and there is a line next to T, or if you do not see any line in the test device, or it has been more than 20 minutes since you performed the test, it means that the test is not successful and it must be repeated. Get yourself further tested in the ICTC of your nearest government hospital. After performing the test, put the used materials in polythene or paper bag as shown and discard it in a dustbin. Did you see how easily you could perform screening for HIV? So what are you waiting for? For more information and to avail self-test services, visit www.sahayindia.org website or call at 9310989701 Monday to Friday from 10 am to 6 pm